Let's check out the anaerobic system in our laboratory. This is where everything begins. The feed tank collects and stores the incoming wastewater before the treatment. It acts as an entry point, ensuring that flow into the system is steady and controlled for consistent operation. At the heart of the process is the Anaerobic Bioreactor. Equipped with a water bath for temperature control. It maintains stable mesophilic or thermophilic conditions inside the bioreactor. This balance allows the microorganisms inside to thrive and break down the organic matter efficiently. Here we have the membrane module, the key separation unit in our system. The membranes act like a fine filter, retaining biomass inside the reactor while allowing only clean, clarified effluent to pass through. This ensures a high quality effluent with almost no suspended solids. The pumps keep the entire system in motion. They circulate the feed, maintain flow through the membranes, and control pressure levels. They are the muscles of the anaerobic MBR system. Without them, the system would stop moving. The anaerobic membrane bioreactor combines the power of biological treatment with advanced membrane filtration. It delivers high effluent quality, recovers energy in the form of biogas, and requires a much smaller footprint compared to conventional systems. With low sludge production, excellent pathogen removal, and the ability to handle the variable wastewater loads. Anaerobic membrane bioreactor stands out as a sustainable and efficient solution for modern wastewater treatments. Let's go for the green energy and green future.